Hey guys, it's Shalene and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little, it's not really a haul because I didn't get a lot of stuff, but maybe an unboxing, you could say. A haul slash unboxing of my Saje order. Put this in about a couple weeks ago and it just arrived today, so let's dig in. As we open up our box, we are greeted with some brown paper. Be gone. Okay. I'm just gonna put the box down right here. First thing we have is a cleaning solution. I wanted to clean my diffuser because it is a little dirty, and we don't have any rubbing alcohol, so then the contents are a little cleaning cloth and the multi-clean all-purpose solution. So after we care for our diffuser, we're going to reward ourselves with some delightful smelling mists. So I got this Daydream diffuser, and it's a relaxing diffuser blend. And then Good Night, which is a grounding diffuser blend. And then Sunset, which seems to have leaked because there's oil all over my hands. That was my haul slash unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you like shorter videos or longer videos, or like, I don't know, 10-minute videos. I feel like that was a middle ground. Maybe that's... Just let me know if you like shorter videos like this or longer videos like my 10 tips to keep your life organized, you know, that kind of series thing that I have. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!